It's Gianna, London Campus Crypto. We're keeping you in the loop on all the latest trends and using crypto blockchain technology. Together, we're building a crypto movement that fights climate justice and economic empowerment. We have a brand new member of our Convincing Crypto team. So today, I want to introduce Annie Wang. You want to wave at the camera, Annie?
Hi, I'm Annie.
So, Annie, I know you have your brand new segment on the Convincing Crypto show. Do you want to tell us what it's all about and what it's called?
Yes, so I'm going to be hosting Crypto Byte on Convincing Crypto, and it's going to be a segment where I talk about crypto and blockchain technology for beginners while also having a bite of either food or a drink such as bubble tea. And I'm very excited to kind of merge that together while also teaching everybody about just blockchain and crypto in general.
I love that. You're going to have little bites or snack size information about crypto and blockchain. Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah. And also pairing it up with some kind of food and drink to make things fun for everybody. And it's all going to be like, so some of the things that we had in the pipeline is like talking about Cardano versus like Ethereum, or just about what a bear market is. Cause I know a lot of people are very just confused in terms of like what things are, how to invest. And especially for beginners where you're kind of coming on and you're just like, what do I do? So it's good to just have that kind of knowledge, especially even for people who are already in the game, just to kind of get in there and be like, okay, this is a refresher. Let's see what's going on and just have new information to support while you're investing and trading.
for sure. I know you've been learning a lot along the way too, and you've just been doing a lot of research. I'm curious, what's the most interesting thing you've learned so far when you've been starting Crypto Bytes?
Yeah, so I've been doing so much research, especially for every episode where I'm learning along the way with everybody else. And the way I like to do things is mainly just to break it down. So the way I'm saying it is like if I can understand it, then I'm sure everyone else can understand it. So some of the more interesting things that I found is a lot of these technological terms are actually very, very simple if you
Mm-hmm.
break it down and really start to understand it. Took me a little bit, but I'm starting to understand it more and more the more I do research, and to be able to kind of convey that to the audience so that you guys can understand it as well is kind of my goal for this segment. Yeah, the most interesting thing that I've found is that a lot of things are very practical. Like you don't think that they are because you're like, oh, these are such fancy technological languages, but really they're very applicable to our everyday lives. So just discovering that makes me even more interested and even more just like proud to be doing this.
I'm excited to see what you end up sharing with everyone. And I think that's something that's really needed. The whole crypto language and all the lingo can seem confusing for people, but once you think about it, like once you understand those terms, a lot of it, there's a lot of doors that are open for people to get more into crypto and just start learning even more. Yeah.
Absolutely. And it's just very exciting just to see that, like, a lot of these languages, it is kind of like speaking a second language. Because in the beginning, I was just like, what's a blockchain? That doesn't even make any sense to me. I just know Bitcoin and that's it, right? That's all I knew. And just to discover more and more about what it actually is, how it was founded, why people even started thinking about it, just the history of it was very rich. So, I'm very excited to kind of share that with everybody and just kind of dive deeper into all these different topics that will probably, last a very long time.
Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to everything you're going to share. I know you pre-recorded a bunch, so everyone stay tuned for Andy's content for Crypto Bytes. But if you are brand new to crypto, or even if you've been in crypto for a bit, let us know in the comments below, and we can have Annie create more content for people who just want to dive more into crypto and have more bite-sized content.
Yes, I'm so excited about it. And thank you so much for having me on. I'm excited to kind of post videos every week and definitely stay tuned.
Yep. Well, that's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends if you enjoyed this content. And we'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.
Bye.